From brainstorm to blueprint, turn your visions into reality with the Panorama Assessment Tool. Welcome to the Panorama Assessment Tool, PAT Guide. Let's walk you through on how an additional user signs up and takes the assessment to view reports, and we'll explain more about the primary and additional account relationship. After the primary account holder adds an additional user to their company, the additional user will receive 2 emails on their mailbox. One is the welcome email and the other one contains the login credentials for their account. Click on the link there to redirect to the sign-in page. Copy your email and temporary password from the login credentials email and paste it in the sign-in page input field and click on Sign In button. The additional user will now be redirected to the onboarding. Just enter your personal information and some information about your business to proceed. To view how the onboarding process works, click on the video that will pop up in the next few seconds, and now we'll skip the video to the additional user's dashboard. From the dashboard, the additional user will be able to take an assessment, view the reports, and from the navigation menu on the left, they will be able to analyze their reports with Pan AI and use comparison features depending upon their primary account's subscribed plan. However, the additional user will have some limitation as they won't be able to schedule consultations or view plans and billing. To take an assessment, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Assessment button from the dashboard. A confirmation message will pop up. Click on Confirm to proceed. The assessment contains 8 blocks of structured questions related to your business. Just answer them by selecting yes, no, or unsure depending on your knowledge about the business. To be noted, primary account holders will be able to view and analyze the reports of all of their additional accounts of the company. But additional account holders will only be able to view and analyze their own reports. This allows the primary account holder to get deeper understanding of how their company is progressing and understand the key areas where the company can improve on. So make sure to answer all the questions with honesty and leaving the fear aside that the CEO can view your reports, as this is required for the benefit of the company. Make sure to grab a coffee before starting the assessment, as this assessment contains approximately 150 questions. We will skip this video to the dashboard. After your assessment is completed, you will be redirected to your dashboard and you will be able to view your assessment report. A video will pop up in the next few seconds on the process of viewing reports and explaining the assessment metrics for the reports. Make sure to watch the video for a better understanding of the reports. A crucial step for additional accounts is to change their temporary password after signing up for enhanced security. To change password, click on Profile from the navigation and click on the Change Password button. Enter your temporary password from the email you received for login credentials. Now on the New Password field, type in your new password. The password must contain 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, 1 symbol, and should consist at least 8 characters. Now click on the Save button to change your password. Your password will be changed, and you will be able to log in using your email and your new password. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, contact us at info@panoramamas.com.